Alright guys, we are back. Welcome back to the channel, and you might be wondering why I haven't posted a video for a few weeks. We've been busy because we're trying to get the boat really ready for the first trip with the boss. We already did one trip, which is just around here in Palma. It was nice, all went well, everyone is happy. And then so right now we got a few weeks in between the trips, so the next trip will be in a few weeks time. So I have a chance of doing some projects again, just repairing this wood right here. What my plan is to sand this all, and then I might put some thick oil in this. Talking about the trip we did a few days ago, we were actually lucky that we didn't went far because we didn't have any autopilot, but something to do with our Doppler lag transducer didn't send the right signal up to the autopilot, so the autopilot is all over the place. But as we speak right now, the guys is swapping out the transducer down below underwater. They got all sorts of equipment. Those guys are professional, so they're changing it underwater, and hopefully it will work out. And then tomorrow we will be going for a sea trial just for the autopilot, and hopefully it all works, and hopefully the weather is actually will change, because today it's a bit funny. It's been raining early this morning, and then the weather is a bit windy and cloudy, so it's a good change. It's a lot cooler today compared to the last few weeks, but hopefully tomorrow it will be sunny, because it's always nice to go out to sea when it's nice and calm and sunny, you know. So Mario, is that the old transducer?
Yeah, the old transducer. If you wanna follow me, you will see
Alright then.
where we put the new one.
That's Paulo. Mario is the man in charge of we're changing our transducer while we're on the water, guys, because our transducer is not working. So this is on the tank deck.
You guys coming? So the diver's operation.
So show us. Oh, is that brand new?
Yeah.
Alright, this
Just
is
the new
it's
cable.
been
Show us, Mario.
maybe the
Okay, we are ready here. Just looking for leaks.
Mario, that's good.
Yes, mate. We are looking for leaks here. We are looking for leaks. We are ready. We'll see.
what, you're gonna pull it out now?
Yeah, now they're gonna put out the mushroom underneath the vacuum cup,
Okay.
and then we are under pressure. How is it going, George?
Yeah, they're just going down now.
Roger, standing by.
They're just flooding the center part of the cup, so just look out for leaks.
Looking out for leaks. So far, we're dry.
Hey Mario, it is fully flooded now.
Okay, we are dry here. We are dry so far. So yeah, proceed to remove completely.
Is it cheaper to do it underwater than being lifted on the travel lift?
Oh, way cheaper. Yeah, way cheaper.
All right.
Yeah. You don't see Even
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we are all dry, so we're happy here.
Alright guys, it's all done. It's ready to be oiled. So I'm gonna pour 3 coats of oil. So it's gonna look good, guys. Alright, today's the day. We're finally heading out to test the autopilot. And look at this weather. Couldn't have asked for better. Blue skies, calm seas, perfect conditions. Kinda lucky actually, since there's some nasty weather coming in soon. We've got the tech on board and we're doing a few hard turns to see how the system handles. So far, it's looking pretty smooth. Fingers crossed, it all checks out. We didn't waste any time. Once the tech gave us the thumbs up, and we were happy with how the autopilot was performing, we headed straight back to the dock. No need to hang around. Job done, test complete. Always a good feeling when things go smoothly like that. Alright, good morning. It's such a beautiful, cool morning, guys. Plenty of water coming down. Wow, it's raining, rain. The weather changed. I was expecting a big rain the other day, but I guess it's a day late. But it's powering down now. Wow. At least it's a lot cooler. And then boom! The rain came in hard. Honestly, it was a welcome break after weeks of scorching heat. Everything's been dry and dusty lately, so this sudden downpour felt like nature hitting the reset button. The reservoirs getting topped up, the air feels fresh again. It's exactly what we needed. They say the sun making a comeback later today. So it's just enough time for me to finish up what I'm working on and wrap up the week. I'll leave it here for now. Hope you enjoyed the update. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.